Why do owls' eyes glow in the dark? How big and small can owls get? What happens when an owl eats a mouse? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Today is Forest Fridays and we will discover the owls, the wisest of all birds. Have you ever looked up into the night sky and wondered about those glowing eyes watching you from the trees? Those are often owls. Owls are famous for their mysterious looks and amazing hunting skills. They live almost everywhere in the world, from deep forests to deserts, and even in some cities. With more than 200 different species, owls come in many shapes and sizes. From tiny ones that can fit in your hand to giants with wings wider than your arms stretched out. The size of an owl depends on the type. The smallest, called the elf owl, is only about 13 centimeters or 5 inches tall, which is shorter than a pencil case, and it weighs less than a tennis ball. On the other end, the largest species, the Eurasian eagle owl, can stand up to 70 centimeters or 28 inches tall and has wings that spread almost 2 meters or more than 6 feet. That is as wide as a car. Even the smaller owls are strong. Their sharp claws, called talons, are built for gripping prey tightly. An owl can catch animals like mice, rabbits, lizards, and even other birds with incredible speed and accuracy. Some large owls are strong enough to hunt animals nearly as big as themselves. One thing kids often notice first about owls is their eyes. They are huge compared to the size of their heads. Owl eyes are so big that they cannot move like human eyes do. Instead, owls have to turn their whole heads to look around. Amazingly, they can twist their necks about 270 degrees, which means almost all the way around. Their eyes also glow in the dark, and they can see even in very low light, which makes them excellent night hunters. Along with eyesight, their hearing is incredibly sharp. Many owls have unevenly placed ears, one higher than the other. This strange feature helps them pinpoint exactly where a sound is coming from, even the tiny rustle of a mouse under leaves. Owls are also very quiet flyers. Their feathers have special edges that muffle the sound of their wings, allowing them to swoop down silently. This makes them invisible killers of the night. Some people think owls are super smart because of their wise appearance, but scientists say they are not as clever as crows or parrots. Still, they are perfectly adapted for survival, which is its own kind of intelligence. As babies, called owlets, they are fluffy and round, often with clumsy movements and loud begging calls for food. Parents feed them constantly with bits of prey, and in some species, the older siblings may even boss around the younger ones to get more meals. One of the gross but funny facts about owls is that they can't digest bones, fur, or feathers. After eating, they cough up a ball of leftovers called a pellet. Finding pellets on the ground is a clue that an owl lives nearby, and scientists can even study them to learn what the owl has eaten. Owls are both spooky and magical. They look fierce, sound mysterious with their hoo-hoo calls, and have incredible powers that make them top hunters. Whether they are tiny elf owls or giant eagle owls, these birds capture our imagination and remind us how amazing the animal world really is. Owls have fascinated people for thousands of years, and many cultures included them in myths and legends. In ancient Greece, the owl was the symbol of Athena, the goddess of wisdom, which is why owls are often linked with being wise. In some Native American stories, owls were believed to carry important messages or warnings. In parts of Africa and Asia, people thought owls had magical powers or could protect against evil spirits, while some traditions saw them as spooky or mysterious. Others admired them as guardians of knowledge. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.